and I've been here since pre-K. Both my sister and my brother graduated from St. Mary's. My brother is currently at the University of Florida, and he is in the computer engineering program. My sister, Carolina, is a junior at Academy of the Holy Names. My journey at St. Mary's started in pre-K with Miss Brightwell. The most memorable part of pre-K was the letter people, which helped the class learn letters, sounds, and reading throughout the year. It even included a Valentine's Day wedding of the letters Q and U. Now I see the progression of learning that started in pre-K and led my class to be ready for middle school. I can recall stepping stones along the way, like the Florida Lighthouse Project in 4th grade, which got me ready for U.S. history in 7th and 8th grade. Science projects like the Egg Drop Challenge and creating a volcano helped prepare me for physical science this year. Creative writing assignments from Miss Bassler in 5th grade helped prepare me for challenging literature projects with Miss Henson and Miss Carnes in middle school. The faculty at St. Mary's is amazing. They're always available to engage us in and out of the classroom. From pre-K to 4th grade, St. Mary's, in every class, there's assistant teachers. It made me feel that there's always a teacher that was available to assist us in any activity or assignment. As I transitioned into middle school, the teachers were always available during extra help, a 30-minute period at the end of the day. Also, teachers often have a quick extra help session in the morning or during snack time. I really like that St. Mary's is willing to try new things in academics. My siblings noticed differences from when they were here just a few years ago. One of the things that have changed in middle school is the schedule. We now only have 4 classes a day. Classes meet for 70 minutes, which means we can do more in each class. It also allows me for each day to do class homework and not have to stress about cramming everything the night before. However, since the schedule is implemented, St. Mary's has modified it to make it easier, such as language arts and math meet daily. Some classes are full and others are mini classes that meet for 35 minutes. Another great change is the addition of electives. Every semester, 7th and 8th graders can pick a topic that they're interested in. Some electives I've taken are debate, science research, and art. The art elective was great preparation for me to take the St. Mary's first ever pre-AP class in visual arts. It is great to know that the work I'm doing in middle school may help me get high school credit. In addition to pre-AP visual arts, I am taking honors level classes in geometry, physical science, and Spanish 1. The language arts and American history classes are highly regarded in Tampa and are preparing me for high school honors or AP level classes as a freshman. In addition to the elective choices, St. Mary's also lets students decide on a foreign language program in 7th and 8th grade. The option is either Spanish or Latin 1, and it will likely that students advance to a 2nd-year language program as a freshman. Also, in middle school, I had the option to take the advanced math track. In 7th grade, I took Algebra 1 honors, and this year I'm taking geometry, which will likely lead me to take Algebra 2 honors as a freshman. It is also nice that St. Mary's splits our math classes into smaller groups. My math class has 14 students and allows my math teacher, Mr. Hubler, to give each student attention. Another area where class size is important is our homeroom squads. My squad has 10 students and allows me to connect with my fellow classmates every morning. Looking ahead to high school, I feel like St. Mary's has really prepared me for the high school admissions process. I'm currently looking to attend Berkeley Prep, Academy, and Plan. The high school selection and application effort is very well organized and led by Ms. Orsini, the head of middle school. The high school selection process starts with individual family meetings with Ms. Orsini. She really details her thoughts on which school she thought I would be successful at next year. That discussion included what items I need to get done to strengthen my 8th grade application. St. Mary's leadership has strong connections to all the high schools. It was evident when I was touring the high school last month that the that the admissions director really highly appreciated Ms. Orsini's recommendation. After our meetings with Ms. Orsini, St. Mary's invites high school to come on campus and show the teachers, parents, and students a little bit about the high school. I'm now in the process for preparing for entrance exams in December. It is a busy fall semester, but St. Mary's is doing a great job helping guide me and my family on the admissions process. St. Mary's has been a wonderful school that has given me endless opportunities to excel in academics, arts, sports, leadership, and character development. I feel like I'm well prepared for high school because of the foundation I've received here. In closing, I appreciate the opportunity to speak with you all, and I wish you and your fellow Saints a great future. Thank you.